Hello guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa bidyong ito, alamin natin ang 10 pinakasiksing babaeng volleyball players na mula sa De La Salle University. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Let's go! Ang pang-10 ay si Kim Kianade ng PLDT High Speed Hitter. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang opposite hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10 and 1/2 inches.
So, both of you are athletes. So, how does it feel na parang naintindihan niya struggles ng isa't isa na ebbs and flows?
It's actually easy to have a partner who's also into sports, so they understand, let's say, like, yung struggles nga pag bad game, yung mga ganon, or like, they understand also the time that we can't, they also understand that we can't be with each other like normal couples do, so at least he understands, I understand, so we're on the same page.
Ang pang-siyam ay si Abby Maranyo ng Chiritigo Crossovers. Siya naglaro bilang isang middle hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 31 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches.
So I got my heart broken by this someone, and you know, sobrang nasaktan ako, and I really felt like I wasn't important at all. So I decided to write a song about it. Though hindi pa siya tapos, pero sana magustuhan nyo. And if you want to add up some lyrics, you can do that as well. Ganito siya. Pakyo ka.
Ang taas ng standards mo, pangit ka naman. Mas pangit ka, tanga.
Saan ka pupunta?
May naiwan ako! Ay!
Ba't ka bumalik?
Ako nga pala yung iniwan!
Ang pang-8 ay si Mika Reyes ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 29 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 6 feet.
Up here. Thank you, Ika. Congrats!
Ang pang-7 ay si Don Macandili Katindig ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang libero. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet.
We'd like to call in to present the award, Vice Mayor of the City of Biñan, Vice Mayor Chel Alonte. Once again, congratulations, Don Macandili. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move.
Ang pang-6 ay si Majoy Baron ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 11 inches. Ang pang-5 ay si Cha Cruz Bihag ng If2 Logistics Cargo Movers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 36 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches. Ang pang-apat ay si Michelle Cobb ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang setter. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 4 inches.
A setter of a very well-esteemed team is not an easy job. It's like, kung na nakita ko siya, kaya na lahat. So now, I feel like she's embodying her role as a setter and as a team captain. Makikita talaga the leadership all around this. I'm so happy to see how she's playing right now, and I'm really proud of her. Mars, pinapanood mo ito ngayon. I'm so proud of you, and the fact na ganito yung perform nila, nakakapangtaas talaga ng balay mo. Mataas, oh. Anyways. Sige? Hindi pinakita! Hindi mo pinakita! Basta nakascore nang walang block. Animal assault! Basta Pilipinas pag ganyan.
Ang pangatlo ay si Desiree Cheng ng Chukumocho Flying Titans. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 27 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches.
Hi, I'm Desiree Cheng from the DLSU Lady Spikers. I have a hairspray for the game. Lagi para neat yung hair ko. And then, I have chocolates. Pero this time, bigay ito ng fan. Pero I have always na Toblerone, na white, Hershey's na cookies and cream, mga pre-game chocolates ko. Hindi pwedeng wala akong chocolate sa bag. Inside my wallet, I have certificates of Shuttle's Best. I have pictures. I have a picture of my charot. Again, this is Des Cheng from the DLSU Lady Spike.
Ang pangalawa ay si PP Sharma ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 22 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 11 inches.
Mariofi Sharma, you guys can call me Fifi. I'm from De La Salle University, Manila. I'm wearing jersey number 2, playing middle blocker. My height is 5'10", and I weigh 152 pounds. I went to Far Eastern University for junior high school. My go-to volleyball move is a quick. My goal as a volleyball player is, of course, to win the championship.
Ang pinakauna sa listahan ay walang iba kundi si Michelle Gumabaw ng Creamline Coal Smashers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang opposite hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 31 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 9 inches.
I was nominated by Denise Lazaro for Nestie's Plunge to Pledge to help preserve the beaches of Puerto Galera. This is a shared advocacy to help refresh the beautiful beaches of the Philippines. I nominate Ella De Jesus, Kat Gumabaw, and Aldo Panilio to do the Cheers to Summer! Ang hirap pala nito! You have to fall! You pushed me! The bitches were the most number of votes over the cleanup package for this cause. I just punched for Puerto Galera.
So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Thank you very much.